Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can remove products from Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in shopify.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of these sections. Right here, you're going to find the home section, orders, products, customers, content, analytics. Here you're going to find marketing and also discounts. Right here under sales channel, you're going to find online store and also point of sale. So basically guys, right now, if you want to remove products, it's pretty easy. Just go here to the product section. And then here under it, you're going to find collections, inventory, purchase orders, transfers, and gift cards. Click on products. And then right here, you should find a list that includes all of the products that you have on your Shopify store. Right now, as you can see, guys, I don't have any products yet. So I'm going to add products to show you guys how you can do it. So right now, once you add the products or once you're here in the products page, as you can see, guys, they will display here as a list. So right now, if you want to remove any product, it's pretty easy. Just go to the products you want to remove. And here in the left, you're going to find this little box. Just check it like this. And once you check the product, go here and then you're going to find bulk edit, set as draft, and also these three dots. Give it a click, and then here you're going to find archive products, delete products, including sales channel, and so on. Click on delete products. And then as you can see, guys, they're going to ask you, are you sure? Click on delete again. And then as you can see, guys, it's saying right here in the bottom, the product is deleted. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.